Welcome back, my friends, to another typing, non-phone, data entry type work from home job lead. This job lead is in the true sense a typing job. It is a transcription job. It is literally listening to audio files and typing out what you hear. So it's something simple that most people can do as long as you can type fast. So we will not waste any time. We will get into all of the details. The company Allegis Transcription is hiring a transcriptionist. Now, this is remote within the United States only. But if you are outside the United States, at the end of this video, I will link it in the cards, and I do think it's linked in the description also below. I did do a video not that long ago about different places that hire for transcription and typing work, and those do have a lot of places that hire internationally outside of the United States. So check that video out if you're interested in more typing jobs. But Allegis is offering fair market pay, and they pay a per page rate for the abundance of work and the expectation that they also have growth for the foreseeable future. So they are offering a quality development program for you, a transcription community that you can network and discuss within. So they really encourage teamwork, a transparent quality feedback program, and they have a support team. So it sounds like one of those transcription jobs where you'll really have feedback and people you can reach out to and ask for questions. But they are just looking for someone to basically transcribe or type audio recordings completely. These are going to require multi-speakers. They want someone who has fast and accurate typing and word processing skills, great spelling and grammar, great proofreading skills, and someone who is reliable and can meet established deadlines. Now, this is something that you get a project and you have a deadline to complete the project too. So when you work on that project is completely flexible. So they offer completely flexible schedules. Transcription is one of those things you can do. You can log in and work around your schedule, around your kids whenever you have time. It's also a great time. I've worked for transcription companies in the past to pick up as a part-time side hustle, side gig, but you do have to have your own high-speed internet and your own computer. A foot pedal I do have and have experience with is very helpful. Some places will require it, but it is actually not necessary to do transcription work. Now, because pay is going to be dependent on the actual job you do, there's no way for them to tell you what your pay will be, but I have linked both their Indeed reviews and their Glassdoor reviews in the description box as well. For Indeed, people are reporting that they made about $18.75 an hour, and they have a great rating for Indeed as far as a good employer goes. And then on Glassdoor, it looks like their salaries range around $40,000 to $50,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.